Welcome to my ePortfolio. I am Kimberly Perry and I want to show you around. Here is my executive bio. Once again, I'm Kimberly Perry. I'm currently a history teacher at George Washington Carver Senior High School, located in Montgomery, Alabama. I'm currently completing requirements for my education specialist degree with a concentration in instructional technology. Now let's go and check out this ePortfolio. I have learned a few things that I want to share with you. Within this ePortfolio, you will see tools to help better engage your classroom, a few artifacts to help students, as well as assistive technology options. Be sure to view and explore the many artifacts that I have embedded and attached for you. This learning experience has helped me to further engage my students as we matriculate through the curriculum and even assist colleagues as we network and collaborate to improve test scores and motivate our students. Within this portfolio, there were 6 standards. As you click on each one, there will be evidence showing you how I mastered those standards. Thank you and enjoy.